Hello and welcome to this special education series brought to you by the Bombay Stock Exchange Investor Protection Fund and the MoneyMile. Joining me today is veteran stockbroker Alok Churiwala, who is also the managing director of Churiwala Securities Private Limited, but a very well-known face in the Bombay Stock Exchange broking circles, has represented the Bombay Stock Exchange members as well over his career. Thank you very much, Alok. A pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Vivek, for having me over.
My first question for you is, Alok, that, when we talk about equities, and of course, there's a lot of excitement about equities, even as we speak. What is the typical time frame that investors should look at? And I'm talking about long-term investors here, not traders. But what is the time frame that you should look at when investing in equities?
Vivek, it's like this. This is perhaps the most difficult question that an investor has to answer for themselves. How long to stay in the market? Now, it's a very individualistic thing. First of all, the investor has to ensure or know what he or she is in the market for. What is the kind of return that they expect? And that, to my mind, will also dictate the time period for which they are likely to stay invested in the market. Now, to give you an example, a stock can move up 5%, 10%, 20% as the circuit limits are within a day. So these kind of returns could be well gotten within a trading session as well. That said, the same amount of money can be lost in the same period of time as well. But depending on the goals of the investor that the investor is looking at, she will have to decide how long they want to stay invested. It could be for a period ranging from a week to a decade. Now, of course, these are the two extreme points that I've given, but generally an investor who's starting would do well to at least keep their money in the market for a time frame anywhere ranging from a couple of months at least to booking profit somewhere within 2 years, because the dynamics of the industries are changing so fast. So anything beyond a couple of years we cannot foresee today, and I think they would do well to stay invested at least for a couple of years.
Been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you very much, Alok Churiwala, for joining us and sharing your learnings with our viewers. Thank you.
Always a pleasure, Vivek. Thank you so much.